What is up, everyone? For this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a great Discord server. Now, I already made a video on the subject, but it didn't have video quality, so it wasn't really all that good. Now, if you'll notice, I've actually changed my stuff, and if you want to see my custom status, some people do. So we're just gonna add a server. Now there are the templates, but we're just gonna click the create my own option because we want to create our own server. So we're gonna go clever community. Now when you're creating a server, you always want to have an idea in mind, and so for my idea we have Among Us, so I'm gonna do Among Us Fun. We could do down, as you can see, we're just gonna go to Among Us apps. So we could do this Among Us character. He's cute and purple. So for creating your server, you have your voice channels and your text channels. So we're gonna delete it all. Completely start from scratch. No text channels and no categories. Alright, start completely from scratch. So I hope you guys are ready. So first we're going to add our category. So our category could be chat channels. And we could have voice channels. Now something you might not know is you could actually make it private by going and disabling this. And now of course you can't make me not be able to. Alright, so now we're gonna go, we'll just do general. And I'll be right back. Alright, and be right back. So now general, since the category itself is hidden, so too are everything in it. So use something you can do. You can actually view server as role, and here you can't see anything. Pretty cool. There's nothing to see, it'll just be blank. But yeah, so we could add chat. Oops. Chat. See, this is a mistake that lots of people make. Now we're gonna make this a private channel. We're gonna skip it for now. I'm gonna make it a private channel. So, yeah, there we go. It's private. So then, now we have our voice channels, and we're not going to worry about that. Now, of course, you could add more if there's certain topics you want to add. We can also add Among Us chat. We could do. We could have off-topic chat. Now, a thing you might want to do, especially for your general, is maybe have like a slow mode. Or maybe you want off-topic to be slow mode. And I'm gonna create a channel. We're gonna call it Rules. We're we're gonna make another one called non-registered chat. So it's gonna be for people who haven't registered on this server. And as you can see, I have some notifications, so I'll be right back once I've settled those. Alright, that only took a couple seconds, luckily. It was just 2 messages, so now we can get back. So I'm not gonna burst my own server, but because this isn't gonna be a server I'm gonna have. It's just one that I'm doing to show you how to make a server. So we can do, and in the description I'll leave you a link to this server, which I'm still making, but by the time this gets uploaded to YouTube I should be finished with it. Alright, so for non-registered chat we're gonna go to, I want people to be slow mode. Alright, so we're gonna have slow mode enabled. Now we're gonna go to server settings. We're gonna go to rules. We're gonna have member, which I like to make red. Of course, you don't have to. And I think the default permissions would be good. Now we're gonna make moderator, which I like to make blue. And make sure that if you move it up higher, it's going to be higher ranked. If you move it down lower, it's going to be lower ranked. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to make admin, which I like to make green. And then, yeah, you can add other rules that you want people to have in case you want to have rules and stuff. So I'm going to show you the kinds of permissions you want to give. Now I think usually you want to give this permission, and then you want to give administrator for admin. Admins have all the powers. Now for mod, you don't just want to simply click admin, because admin has every permission. Every permission. Members with this permission will have every permission, and I'll see. See, admin is a dangerous role to give, but we still want it. We're not going to give admin to mod, but mod is still going to have things like this one. View channels, manage channels, not manage roles, manage emotes, view audit log, manage webhooks. We're not going to give manage server, create invite, change nickname, manage nicknames, kick members, but not ban members necessarily. Send messages, embed links, attach files, yep. Manage messages, read message here, history, connect, speak, video, use priority speaker. Mute members, not necessarily deafen members. Move members. Alright, and we have mod. Now we're going to go over here. Right here, we're going to go hi. Scan. We're going to go to enable community. We're going to get started. So, verify email required. Scan media content from all members. Rules channel will be rules. Community updates channel, just create one for me. Most people, if they're making a community server, want default mentions only. But I'm not going to do that just for this server. But you know what, let's do it because I'm going to delete the server right afterwards. I agree and understand. Finish setup. Alright, now we can do membership screening. Get started. Alright, so these are just the rules. You can have rules that people have to agree to. You can have a description. Welcome to this server. Here we do fun among us related stuff. Alright, now so that people can see it, you want to click enable, because that'll make so that people can see. Now we'll set up a welcome screen. We'll add an emoji. So we'll do non-registered chat with new members. Here we chat about fun among us stuff. Alright, now remember to click enable. And there's also tons of other things you can do. Members, you can prune. And it'll kick people, and if they want to rejoin, they can. Pruning people makes the people who haven't been active on the server for either a week or maybe a month, depending on what you want, will be kicked. Invites, you can revoke people who have been invited, and you can unban people. So, alright, then there's tons of other stuff, like audit log, and integrations, and widget. But these are all super advanced, and we're just making a basic, fun server. Now, here we have this, moderator only. Community updates, we're gonna create a new channel, we're gonna make it announcements. So, there are two kinds of ways you could make it. You could have an announcements channel for saying fun stuff to members. Now, we don't want people to be able to see this, so we're going to make it a private channel. Now we're going to follow it. We're going to send it to Among Us Fun. Just general. Now check this out. You publish it, and since we followed it to this part of our server, I have added the updates to this server. Now it doesn't know that I'm trying to make this. Doesn't know that I'm just using this so this saying fun stuff to members, you can publish and stuff. Then we're gonna add another announcements channel that's gonna be announcements, like serious announcements. Now here people can actually read it, so like you can say hello people, and you can publish, and anybody who's following, they can add this to any server. They'll see hello people, and yeah, that's a pretty fun feature. Alright, so now on to the next thing. I'm just gonna leave a link, so we could make something called links, and https top.gg. This is a great place to get Discord bots. If you want to use a couple of my Discord bots, I'll leave a link to my 2 best Discord bots. And, alright, so now I will go ahead and pause the video as I get a special bot. Here, https, let's see, arcane bot .xyz. Now this bot has leveling, which is something that I'm going to be using it for. Free roll rewards, auto mod, that's one of the things I want it for. And reaction rules is the main reason I want it. So I'll be right back. See ya. Alright, I am back. I have invited Arcane. And now, as you can see, some people might... So first of all, we want Arcane to be right at admin, above admin. Some people might also want a bots role, which is, I like to make yellow. And I'll invite a couple of my bots. Alright, so this one, this is a link to one of my best Discord bots. I'll leave more information in the description. And I'll go get my other one. Okay, so I've invited it, and now as you can see, it is this one. So I'm just going to add bots, and I'll add this one, bots, and as you can see, it goes all the way to the top. And this is this one links to this one. So why don't we make a category for bot games? Alright, and we definitely want it to be private. Alright, now we want to edit this channel. We want to do add members. We want mod and member. And we'll do that for this one. Mod and member. Alright, and then we can, for this, we can do, alright, and now just so we're just going to double check. Yep, alright, perfect. And now in bot games, I'll just show you, let's see, we'll do World War II bot. We'll do Among Us bot. And yes, my other one is an Among Us bot. For World War II bot, we'll do World War II help and World War II commands. And this is really cool. Oops. World War II help commands. So yeah. Coin flip, flips the coin. Shoot, shoots the target. Ration count, enemy fire, buy rations, fixes your gun, bombs the enemy. So here's an example. World War II shoot. Let's just shoot Arcane. Oh, alright, World War II shoot. Let's shoot him again. Dodged. And there's tons of other things. World War II grenade the enemy base. You can pretty what? How does an enemy base get out of range? Alright, well, let's bomb the enemy base. And pretty much after the what? So pretty much after the command, you can itself, you can type pretty much anything, and it'll still work. You could also do World War II fire rifle at bad guy. Ooh, alright. There's also command enemy fire. Now, that I forgot to put the question mark, but so we're going to move on to the next bot. Alright, here is the link. We're just going to remove the embed, and then here's the bot itself. Alright, so we're going to go into Among Us bot, and we're just going to, so we're going to do, let's see, I don't remember. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a prefix. So, help commands. Oops. And it's got tons of commands. Who made this bot? So that if in case you're using it and you don't know who I am and you're interested, this is me and this is my tag. And you know, you could do kill arcane. And there we go. And it has multiple things. Kill at arcane, we'll do it again. See, multiple ones, and then we could do meeting. That's one of them. And then there's meeting. And yeah, there's usually GIFs on most of them. You could also get give dash roles, and as you can see, it'll DM us, and it says crewmate. So there's also a random chance that it could be imposter, and this is for if you want to do. This is also for if you want to, you know, if you're hosting a Discord version of your own kind of Among Us game. I'm not judging you if you want to do this. I actually used to do this myself, and sometimes still do. Because I can't just play Among Us all the time. Alright, we're back. Sorry about this. Alright, so now we can move on. You've seen what kinds of things bots can do. We're gonna go to the rules. No NSFW content. No swearing. No. Respect all mods / admins. No self-promotion or ads. Please help keep this server safe. Now, there's a certain thing I'm going to show you, and you have to go not into server settings, but into user settings. And it's in appearance, developer mode. It's developer mode. You need to make sure you're in developer mode. Right click, copy ID. So now we're just gonna go a reaction role for arcane. We're gonna do hashtag rules. We're gonna paste in the message ID. And we're gonna do, now we're gonna mention the role we want to give, so member. So what went wrong here? A reaction role. Oh, there we go. So, react to the message. Check. We'll do a blue check mark. Now look. If you look up here, it changes from online to member. So that's pretty cool. And it's called a reaction role. And you could add something else like thumbs up, and you could record, but it wouldn't do anything. Only this check mark does. So now we're gonna view the server. Go to roles, everyone, view server as role. Here's the rules, here's announcements. And here's non-registered chat. Sup. Uh-oh, the timer isn't letting us chat. Slow mode is fun, isn't it? Alright, back to role settings. We're gonna view server as role, and actually I haven't tried this out before. I wonder, so we become member, but it, alright, so we go as member, and we can see lots more things, but we still can't see everything, because there's some things that I still don't want even members to see. Now, as soon as you react to this, you become, what? There we go. You become a member, and you unlock all this. And when you join, you get the you get the membership screening and the welcome screen I set up. So we're just gonna invite my other account, and we're gonna watch it join. And I'm gonna pause the video, and then when I get to my other account, I'll re-show you. Alright. So let's see. Join Among Us Fun. So there's a few steps we have to complete before we can talk. Check this out. Before you can talk in the server, you're required to complete the steps below. I've agreed to and read the rules. Now I must wait 10 minutes to send messages in the server. So I could just react to this. So I'm just gonna wait 10 minutes, and I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, so now I'm going to react, and look at all the stuff we unlocked. Just from this basic tutorial, we've added this kind of thing. I'm so happy that you decided to watch this video. This is my username. So, I hope you join my server. I'll leave the link to the server that I use most, and I'll see you in the next video.